Hello friends, my name is Tarun and today I am going to explain 3 more functions of date and time related. These functions are Networkdays, end of month and EDATE. Let's understand these functions with the help of an example. Networkdays. This function calculates the number of working days between two dates. By default it excludes weekdays like Saturday and Sunday. And we can also specify a list of holidays which we want to exclude from these two dates. This is the specialty of this function. Let us understand with the help of an example. Suppose we have been given two dates like this start date and the end date, and we have to find the number of working days between these two dates. When I use this function Networkdays, it will automatically exclude Saturday and Sunday. Okay, but we can also specify a list of holidays in this function also. So let's see how we can do so. First, Networkdays. There are three components. First component is start date, second component is end date, and third component is holiday. If first I will take a start date, then I will take a end date. Okay, if I place a 0 here, if I am not going to specify any holiday in this function, then it will automatically exclude Saturday and Sunday. Okay, so it says there are 33 days between these two dates, which are working days, excluding Saturday and Sunday. Okay, so suppose if I want to specify a particular list of holidays in this function, then how I can do so? Networkdays. This is my start date, this is my end date, and now I want to specify a list of holidays also. I want to tell this function that before calculating net working days, please consider this list of holidays also. If I specify this list, what it will do? It will give me net working days after excluding these holidays. So when I specify the holidays, it excluded two things. One is the weekdays, Saturday and Sunday, and another is the holidays which you have specified in this function. So it gives me a net working days of 30 days. This is how Networkdays function works. Let's move on. End of month. This function calculates the last day of month after adding specified number of months to a date. So let's see how it does so. We can understand this function very well with the help of this questions. This question says that what will be the last day of the month after adding 3 months to this date. So if I add 3 months to this date, then what will be the last day of that month? So we can easily do so manually. Suppose if we add 3 months to May, it will be June, July and August. It's very well clear to us, but we want to know the last day of that month. So how we can do so? We will simply use a function called end of month. There are two components which says start date and another one is month. Start date is this one I am taking, and after how many months you want a end date? I want a end date after 3 months. Then it will give me a number. So it is returning me a number. Why it is doing so? I want a date actually. So in order to convert this number into a date, what I will do? I will use a function called text. Okay, then end of month will become a sub function in this function. Then and I will specify a date format. In which date format I want this number into a date. Okay, I am going to specify a date format within this function. So this is how it is giving. It says that after 3 months from 15th May 2020, the end of the month will be 31st August 2020. This is how end of month function works. I hope you understand this. Let's move on to next function called EDATE. EDATE function calculate the expiry date or maturity dates or other due dates. So how it works? Suppose let's understand this with the help of below questions. It says what will be the expiration date of medicine if it expired after 6 months from the manufacturing date of my it says 5th January 2020. What will be the expiration date of the medicine if it expired after 6 months from the manufacturing date of 5th January 2020? So here we have been given manufacturing date and the expiration date, and we have to find the exact expiration date. So this function will come into a picture. Again, it has two components, wherein there is one is start date and another is after how many months you want me to give an expiration date or maturity date or any due date. So first I will take manufacturing date. I am telling this function that give me expiration date after 6 months. I want to know the exact date of expiration. So again it is returning me a number, but I need to convert this number into a date format. How I will do so? I will use a function called text. Then I will specify a date format. And then simply enter. So this is how it is giving me a expiration date of the medicine. It says if the medicine is manufactured on 5th January 2020, then the expiration date of that medicine after 6 months will be 5th of July 2020, which is very accurate. So this is how EDATE function works. I hope you like the learning of today. Thank you, and